In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up an email campaign on Podia. Whether you're promoting a new course, announcing a product launch, or simply engaging with your audience, setting up an email campaign is a key tool for effective communication. So let's dive right into the process and make it as seamless as possible. To begin, head over to your Podia dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main page of your account where you can get an overview of your activities and manage your content. Now, let's move over to the next step. On the left side of your screen, you'll see a sidebar with various options. Look for the Email tab and click on it. This will lead you to the hub where you can manage all your email activities. Once you're in the email section, you'll notice several options at your disposal. What we're interested in here is the Campaigns option. Click on Campaigns to proceed. This section allows you to create and manage the various email campaigns you plan to run. Now that you're in the Campaigns area, look for a button that says New Campaign and give it a click. This is where the magic begins, as you'll be setting up a new email campaign tailored to your needs. Once you've clicked New Campaign, you'll be prompted to configure your campaign settings. At this stage, it's time to set up your email campaign. You'll need to fill in various details about your campaign, such as the campaign name, the subject line of the emails, and the content you want to include. Think carefully about what you want to communicate to your audience and make sure your message is clear and engaging. Craft a subject line that grabs attention and encourages your recipients to open the email. Once you've crafted your message and filled out all the necessary fields, you're almost ready to launch. But before you do, double-check everything to ensure there are no errors or omissions. Reviewing your content and settings is crucial to making sure everything runs smoothly. When you're confident everything is set up correctly, it's time for the final step. In the top right corner of the screen, you'll see a button labeled Run. Click this button to launch your campaign. And there you have it. Your email campaign is now live and on its way to reaching your audience. Thank you for watching this tutorial on setting up an email campaign on Podia. With these steps, you're well on your way to boosting your communication and engagement with your audience. Happy emailing!